Lacy. I'm the chef at Pacific Coast Fruit Company, and today in the kitchen we're going to talk about Turlock Varietal Peacock Melons. Turlock Farms has been around for about 100 years. These melons are grown in the San Joaquin Valley in California, and we have a really great selection right now of heirloom varietals. We have the orange flesh honeydew, we have the Canari Melon, and we have the Galia Melon in stock. Turlock melons are my favorite melons because they are picked at the highest sugar content. Today I'm gonna make a ceviche using melon instead of fish. So I'm gonna use all three varietals of melon. I'm also gonna use a little bit of mango, some cucumber, cilantro, and lots of lime, and just a little bit of salt. And I've got these peeled and ready to go. And a little bit of mango, some cucumber, lots of lime. Cilantro, always salt. That is beautiful. So this is my heirloom varietal summer melon ceviche. Grab a chip, it's ready to go. It's really good.